You've heard of BatchNorm, LayerNorm, RMS norm. They're the backbone of modern AI. What makes models like GPT, stable diffusion, and self-driving systems train reliably? But here's a deeper question. What if normalization could do more than stabilize training? What if it could actually teach the model to think better? Most normalization methods focus on one thing: standardizing activations. Make the mean 0. Set the variance to 1. Simple, effective. But here's the flaw. Two representations can look statistically identical, yet one carries meaningful signal, the other is noise. This is where the Information Bottleneck Principle comes in, a foundational idea from information theory. It says keep what helps. Discard what doesn't. Think of it like summarizing a book. You don't need every sentence. You need the plot, the characters, the turning points. The rest, noise. In AI, this means balancing two goals. Sufficiency, preserve enough information to predict the correct output. Minimality, strip away redundant, irrelevant details, background noise, overfitting artifacts, random fluctuations. Enter IBNorm, a new normalization technique inspired by the information bottleneck. It doesn't just standardize. It actively compresses the activation space, pushing extreme values back toward the center, like a smart noise-canceling filter for the model's internal representations. This isn't just a tweak. It's a structural shift toward sparsity. By forcing most activations to cluster tightly around the mean, IBNorm ensures that only the important signals stand out, making the model's internal state more informative, more efficient. And the proof? In experiments, when researchers measured mutual information, how much the model's hidden layers know about the final output, IBNorm consistently outperformed traditional norms. It preserved predictive power while filtering distractions. The results are striking. On large language models like LLaMA and GPT-2, IBNorm delivered up to 8.75% improvement across multiple tasks. No extra training, no architectural overhaul. Envision models like RayNet and ViT. Gains ranged from 3.98% to 8.17% on ImageNet, especially in low-light or noisy conditions. Why? Because IBNorm doesn't just make training stable. It makes the model smarter. It learns representations that are more informative, more generalizable, and more robust, not just accurate but understanding. And here's the best part. IBNorm is a drop-in replacement for LayerNorm. Swap it in. No changes to architecture. No extra hyperparameters. Just plug it in, like upgrading your model's internal filter. But it's not just practical. It's theoretically sound. Researchers proved that IBNorm achieves a higher information bottleneck score, meaning it better balances sufficiency and minimality. And it comes with a tighter generalization bound, showing it's not just good in practice, but mathematically superior. So the next time you think about normalization, remember, it's not just about stability. It's about intelligence. It's about building models that don't just work, they understand. This isn't just another optimization trick. It's a paradigm shift, proof that the future of deep learning isn't just faster but smarter. And the code. It's coming soon. So stay tuned. The next generation of AI isn't just learning from data, it's learning how to learn.